Did you know the sidecar was invented in 1902 by Mills and Fulford? Did you know the widespread use of motorcycle helmets was uncommon until British scientist Hugh Cairns studied crash injuries in the 1930s? Did you know Yamaha, a major motorcycle manufacturer, began as a piano and musical instrument company in 1887? Did you know Suzuki and Honda also started in different industries, as a loom manufacturer and a piston ring maker, respectively? Did you know during WWI, motorcycles were used as messengers, replacing horses?